Welcome to this overview of the Pi Network Whitepaper. Whether you're completely new to the Pi ecosystem or already mining Pi daily, this guide will walk you through the vision, technology, and economy that drive the project. Let's get started. Pi Network is a mobile-first cryptocurrency project designed to make crypto accessible to everyday people. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which require high-end computers and consume huge amounts of electricity, Pi Network allows you to mine crypto from your phone without draining your battery. Its mission is clear: to build the most inclusive peer-to-peer ecosystem ever, powered by its native cryptocurrency, Pi. The project is developed by a team of Stanford PhDs who aim to restore everyday users access to the rewards and control offered by decentralized technology. The idea is simple yet powerful. Empower millions of people to contribute to securing the network and grow its utility while mining Pi from their phones. Let's talk about the problems Pi Network is trying to solve. Traditional financial systems are heavily centralized. Think of banks, credit card companies, and online platforms like PayPal. These systems act as middlemen, often charging high fees for transactions. They control your access to your own money. In some regions, they can even censor transactions, restrict accounts, or block access entirely. Moreover, privacy is another major concern. Every action you take online is tracked, analyzed, and stored. Your financial behavior becomes a product for advertisers and third-party companies. Pi Network recognizes that these issues are structural and seeks to offer a better way forward. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were created to give people control over their own money. They use distributed ledgers, which means there isn't one central authority controlling the records. Every transaction is validated through cryptographic protocols and recorded permanently. Once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be reversed or changed. That's the power of immutability. But there's more. You control your wallet through a private key. If you own the key, you own the funds. No bank can freeze your account. No government can censor your transaction. This decentralization ensures transparency, privacy, and resistance to censorship. Foundational principles Pi also embraces. While Bitcoin was revolutionary, its mining system creates some unintended problems. First, mining Bitcoin requires a lot of energy. Massive mining farms use thousands of high-performance computers, consuming electricity equivalent to small countries. This has raised concerns about environmental impact. Second, mining is no longer accessible to average users. In the early days, anyone could mine from their laptop. Now, you need specialized machines and cheap electricity to even have a chance. This results in centralization of mining power, going against the decentralized spirit of crypto. That's where Pi comes in, offering a lightweight consensus mechanism that works on mobile devices. Pi Network uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, or SCP, to enable mining on mobile phones. Instead of using power-hungry machines, it relies on a web of trust between users. By verifying your presence once per day with a simple tap, you participate in the network's security and earn Pi. No CPU cycles are burned, and your phone's battery is unaffected. This makes mining not only accessible but also environmentally sustainable. Pi is designed to be inclusive. Anyone with a smartphone can join the network and start mining within minutes, without any technical know-how. In Pi Network, everyone can contribute by playing one or more roles. First, the pioneer. These are users who log into the app daily and prove they're not bots. Second, the contributor. Contributors build trust by creating a circle of known, reliable users. Third, the ambassador. Ambassadors grow the network by inviting others to join Pi. Finally, the node. Nodes are users who install the Pi software on a computer to help validate transactions and keep the network secure. These roles create layers of trust and engagement, distributing network power among many users. SCP, or Stellar Consensus Protocol, is the backbone of Pi's consensus mechanism. Unlike Bitcoin's proof of work, which pits miners against each other, SCP encourages cooperation. Nodes form small groups called quorum slices. Each slice consists of users that a node trusts. These overlapping slices create a consensus across the network. This structure makes the system lightweight, scalable, and efficient. It enables Pi to operate securely without requiring energy-intensive computing. The result? A decentralized, community-driven network that can grow organically without harming the environment. Pi's economy is based on fair distribution and sustainable incentives. Instead of front-loading rewards for early users, Pi gradually reduces mining rates as the network grows. This creates a long-term incentive for users to stay active and contribute to the network. Pi also includes bonuses for referrals and contributions. This ensures that the network grows not just in size, but in quality, encouraging real people to build real value. Pi's tokenomics are engineered to prevent hoarding, discourage speculation, and build utility from the start. When Pi launched its mainnet, it introduced a fixed supply of 100 billion Pi. 80% of that is allocated to the community, while 20% is reserved for the core team. Within the community allocation, there are different pools: rewards for mining, node operation, app usage, and ecosystem development. This structure incentivizes participation across the board. It's not just about mining. It's about building and using Pi in real-world contexts. A key feature is the optional lockup mechanism, where users can lock their Pi for additional rewards. This stabilizes the ecosystem and aligns long-term commitment with higher mining potential. Pi is more than just a currency. It's a platform. The trust graph ensures that interactions are safe and reliable. It's the foundation of Pi's social credibility layer. The attention market allows users to earn Pi by engaging with content, such as watching ads or promoting posts. In the barter market, users can trade goods and services directly using Pi, creating a peer-to-peer economy. And finally, Pi has launched a decentralized app store where developers can build and monetize apps within the Pi ecosystem. Together, these layers create a full digital economy driven by users. Governance is an essential part of any decentralized system. Pi takes a phased approach. In Phase 1, the core team maintains control to ensure security and progress. In Phase 2, the community begins to participate in decision-making through proposals and feedback mechanisms. In Phase 3, Pi transitions into a liquid democracy model, where users can either vote directly on issues or delegate their vote to trusted representatives. This approach balances early-stage control with long-term decentralization. Pi Network's development is divided into 3 phases. Phase 1 focused on building a community and trust graph, with mining starting on mobile devices. Phase 2 launched the testnet, allowing node software to be tested and refined without risk. Phase 3, the current stage, is Mainnet. In this phase, real Pi transactions are recorded, and the network gradually decentralizes with user-run nodes and ecosystem development. Each phase has been carefully designed to ensure long-term success and responsible growth. To wrap up, Pi Network is more than just a new cryptocurrency. It's an experiment in economic inclusivity, decentralized governance, and practical utility. By removing the barriers to entry, Pi empowers everyday users to participate in the future of finance and technology. If you haven't joined already, now might be the best time to become part of this growing movement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.